Hush. Don't they look so cute? I don't want to disturb them. But somebody about to get woken up because we still have to finish their weighing and a dewormer. Look at him. Don't they look so peaceful? Puppies are quiet when they sleep. I think that's when you fall in love with them the most. Hey everybody, this is Dee, and that's Barry over there. And we're about to do... What the hell is the halfway hand wave?
That's Barry over there.
Oh, I'm sorry. And this is Hotep Kennels. Anyway, early in the morning, working my last nerve.
Like 7 o'clock.
It's like what?
It's almost 9 o'clock. Talking about early in the morning.
And that's still early for me.
I've been up since 5 o'clock.
And I ain't go to bed till 3. I ain't go to bed till after 3.
Okay.
So keep your attitude to yourself, please, today. Thank you very much. Anyway, this is Dee. That's Barry. Hotep Kennels. We about to do the pups dewormer. Are we doing the weigh-in too?
Are you gonna explain what's been going on first?
Oh, Barry's been having technical difficulties with his uploading of the videos. There's one of the second weigh-in that we did for them that he hasn't been able to upload. We're not sure why. It's just that one video, so we might end up skipping that one and probably do it as an update later on or something like that. I'm not sure what you plan on doing with it. So that's why you probably haven't seen any recent videos from us. Hopefully this one works, and the ones that I have on my phone, well, this is my phone, so the ones that comes from my phone will upload. Is that what you needed?
What I wanted you to say was if the video is skipped and it's not uploaded, that's why. I'm explaining why. So just explaining why you haven't seen a 2-week update. I made the video, for some reason it's not uploading. We figure it out, then cool, you've seen it by now. If not, that's why you haven't seen it. That's why I skipped from 1 week update to 3.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it started because it looks like they're getting kind of restless inside the bin. We're going to deworm them and, what you call it?
Yeah.
Oh, so I got to grab them too?
Yeah.
You don't want to put them up here?
Yes, I did. What I was trying to do was put them in there so I wouldn't have to put them like Greco or Gecko or Ewok, whatever you name that puppy. Some Star Wars character.
This is the brindle male. I don't even know what.
You called him an Ewok.
Oh, this is Ewok. His ears was looking funnier when he was. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit off this morning. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Are you planning on writing this down or no?
You can put this somewhere secure so I don't have to stay here and make sure it don't hurt.
Whew, the struggles. We're dealing with Barry Duncan Jr. Yeah. Alright, so this is Ewok. You see how much you weigh, Ewok. 3 pounds. 0.8 ounces. It's the brindle male Ewok. Okay. Do you want it? I know, baby. I'm trying to get through as fast as I can. Good boy. Really, bro? You just gonna spit up on my hand like that? I just spilled the whole thing of dewormer. Energy's all involved. Well, not the whole thing, just most of it. Oh, not most of it, some of it. All right, next pup. This is Frank Sinatra. He's looking good. He's looking real good. Go Frankie. You want to see how much you weigh, Frank? Come here, boy. Why are you always the difficult one? Well, not really. You just one of. Come on, Frankie. Get your booty on there. 3 pounds, 4.5 ounces. 3 pounds, 4.5 ounces. Little Frankie. Isn't he cute? Deworm. Okay. Oh, lockjaw, boy. I think that's what was wrong. I was probably pushing it down too fast the first time. Alright, we're going to grab the next pup. Alright, here's the brand-new girl. Which one we named her? Oh, this is Ash? This is Ash. This is the first female born. Let's see where you at, Ash. I know. Where you at, big booty? We gotta get a new scale. She's literally covering the whole thing. £2 pounds, 15 point. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to laugh at you. 2 pounds, 15. Girl. Ash, where you going, Mommy? No. Now it's changing. I know, baby girl. I know. She won't stay on long enough. You still, Mama. $15.7. Yeah, 15.7 pounds. I mean ounces. She's 2 pounds, 15.7 ounces. Not bad. It's a steady increase. From week to week. From week to week. That's not bad. A little bit more, Mommy. Hey, pretty girl. I don't know who you look like. You kind of look like your daddy. Just a little bit more. Open. There you go. Good girl. Okay. God, why y'all keep flinging that mess on me? And not him. He's the one holding you. Who's this?
Oya.
This is Oya. You would not believe this chick here can eat.
Yeah, we started weaning them yesterday. We didn't record it because we having technical difficulties.
So, this is Oya. It's a Orisha from the Yoruba tribe. And she was the last one in the bowl. She stayed there the whole time. And she is 3 pounds, 4 point. Keep still, mommy. No, 3 pounds. Come here, mama. Oh, shoot, sorry. 3 pounds, 11.3 ounces. 3 pounds, 11.3 ounces. This is our female keeper. Isn't she?
Yep.
And Barry's wondering why I brought her to him. Don't try to play me. Tell me I don't know how to pick him. Deworm. See, he tried to skip on your worming, baby. That's why you got mommy around. Come on. Keep daddy in line. She ain't even swallowing. There you go. Okay. Thank you. Well, if you were swallowing earlier. Yeah, get him. Thank you. Somebody. Don't you? That's what I have to deal with, y'all. On a daily basis. Daily. Who making a noise? You? Oh, why you standing on your brother's head? Oh, who is this? That's the one spot, ain't it?
If I'm going away, there's a small white dot right there.
This is White Dot or Dottie. I don't know what he named her.
They ain't name none.
We gonna have to find something else for
I
him.
told them to name him, but that's the video where
That wouldn't upload. Okay, let's see how much you weighing, boo boo. You looking kind of thick. Looking like your sister thick. Ouch. Thick old.
It's a red mirror.
3 pounds, 6.5 ounces.
6.5.
Yeah. And this is a male. He's also available. Look at them. Oh, you're a big boy.
Oh, snap. He passed up Frankie. Look at you.
He said, I'm the sleeper.
Just never know, huh?
He said, I'm the sleeper. Deworm.
Well, if you would do it immediately, I wouldn't be forgetting.
I had to hand it to you, but you walk off.
Hey, hand me with one hand. With the syringe in the other.
Yeah, right. Okay. So as soon as you miss him and he falls, you blame me. No.
I got big hands. I
Exactly.
receive his hand.
A little bit more, poo-poo. I know. We're going to try to get the banana flavor for y'all next time from the vet. He has a little bit more.
Get over that first part first.
There you go. Good boy.
I know, right? I know, right?
Good boy.
Well, we can call him Chocolate Sock.
Okay, this is Chocolate Sock because only one of his paws is all chocolate.
Cool.
I think.
I got White Sock and a Chocolate Sock.
You ready,
We have
Chocolate?
brothers. We now Pompeii.
Yeah, they are. Let's see. 0. Where you at, Chocolate? You got Chocolate Drop and Chocolate. Bruh, I need you to calm down. Where you go? Oh, you one of them. Huh? Sit down, Popo.
Oh, yeah. Small white chest.
Keep still, baby.
Small white dot on chest.
1 pound,
Dang.
11 point. Keep still, Pooh. Sorry, 1 pound. 11 point. 1 pound, 13 ounces. 13. Wait a minute. 1 pound, 13 ounces. Yes, there you go. Good boy. Did he gain any?
Yeah.
Okay.
7 ounces.
You gained 7 ounces. Really? That's it? I need you to gain more. They probably do better on regular food, on puppy food. Deworm.
Woohoo! Got it right this time.
No, you got it right. I'm always right.
Oh man.
There you go.
Don't work like that.
Good boy. Oh, I'm starting to like you. You got a little bit more. Come on. A little bit more, poo-poo. I don't know, man. I'm tripping with this dewormer stuff. Open. There you go. Good boy. Go ahead, chocolate sock. Sock, I guess. You get it all over him. Good boy.
Get all over mommy.
Alright. This is my new discovery. What would you name him in the jingle?
That's only if you was keeping them. It's in the jocker.
In the Jaka, Jada for short. Why are you so feisty? Injadaka.
Yes.
That's Killmonger's birth name. Since we have T'Challa, we have Indijaka. But that's if he's staying. We're not sure yet. Barry done replaced them already with 2 others. Yes, you did.
I'm going to have my pick male, I'm going to have my pick female, and of course I'm keeping Junior, obviously. That's it. I'm probably going to have 3.
1 pound. Come here, Indijaka. Jada. Jada Kiss, for short. Let me stop. 12. I think he came at 12 point. He likes me. 12.3 ounces. Did he gain any?
Yeah, I think it's like 5 ounces because he was 6.6 ounces last time.
Okay.
So almost 5.
This was the runt.
The last 2 was him and the last one.
Yeah.
But he's
the smallest.
Smallest, yes.
Yeah.
He's the smallest.
Yeah. Come on.
He's the We Are the World.
Really?
We are the children.
Stop trying to play my baby. Yeah, howl on that. Come on, Pooh. Open up. Can you stop tasting? Almost done. I think I pushed too fast. I'm trying to get it in there so it don't linger. Indijaka. Jada.
And Jada Kiss We Trust.
Go ahead, Pooh. You next. I know. You making the most noise now. Alright, this is Holla. I got him. Holla.
1 pound, 11.5 ounces first time.
Okay, let's see if you break it. You're gonna hit that brindle on him.
Yeah, he's a red brindle.
Okay, Holla. I see you, boo.
Him and Junior is a red brindle.
Junior look huge. What in the world you been eating, boy? I'm sorry. Come on,
All
Holla.
the pig feet.
All the hog balls. 2.5. 2 pounds. 5 point. I got excited. 5 point. Move your booty. 5.9 ounces.
Cool.
Holla. What?
Say holla.
That's his name.
Yeah, but it also sounded like
Holla.
yeah. Very white, make a toe long.
Yeah. Come on. Good boy. Swallow.
You're like, we already know this.
Cause you don't act like it. You trying to hold it in your mouth. Come on. A little bit more.
We're trying to run.
Where you going, baby? Can't go nowhere just yet. It's not time. There you go. I swear they don't like that stuff. It's crazy. It's the only lady that acts like that to it. All right, holla. He looks so cute. I don't want to disturb them. Look at him. Oh, they look so cute. Oh, he probably can't even see you. Shoot.
You gotta.
What's up? Who is that?
Probably a male out there. I'll keep him. Red male. The biggest male.
Oh my gosh. What was his name?
Huh?
What was his name?
Oh, we hadn't gave him one yet, but right here it says what in the red male, all white. Is that an all white chest?
Nope.
He got a big red dot. I don't know. I mean, what in the world? I don't know even who you is. Bro, who are you?
Oh my goodness.
Who's the big?
That's funny.
2 pounds, wait, 2 pounds, red.
Well, I tell you now, he hitting 3.
Oh man, which one is he? Oh, just chocolate drop. Okay.
It's chocolate drop?
2 pounds. He was 7.2 ounces. All right, cool.
He can't even fit on his scale no more.
Yeah, you might use the bag.
Chocolate drop. 1 paw off, he already 3 pounds something.
Let's see.
Chocolate drop. What the hell? 3 pounds? You ain't gonna believe this. 3 pounds, 13.9 ounces.
Bigger than oil.
13.9 ounces.
Oil was 3 pounds, 11.3 ounces.
How much was he last time?
He was 2 pounds, 7.2 ounces. So he's gained over a pound.
What are you doing?
Growing.
Y'all just see his boy face. This is chocolate drop. He is huge. He's solid. Oh my gosh, Deworm. Go chocolate.
Pause.
Yeah. He's huge. Oh my gosh, look at him.
Obviously, pick male. What?
That was not your pick male.
Not my pick male, but he is pick male of the little.
Yeah, okay.
It's based off.
Your
It's not based
preference.
off. No, it's not based off personal opinion.
Good boy. He even took that like a champ. Look at him.
Yeah.
Now show me off. He's huge.
Mm-hmm.
All right, see See you later. What's that?
That's all white chest. Chocolate.
Huh?
Red with all white chest. It's red. It says chocolate on here, but I don't know. Like red, red all white chest. Okay. They change color every week.
Yeah, they do. This is another male. We don't have a name for him yet either.
Nope.
We have to figure something out. Alright, let's see where you at, boy.
He was 1 pound 14.9 ounces last week.
He is 2 pounds 13 point. Oh, really? Can you sit on the scale for me just for a little while? That's all I need is a few. Really? Where you going?
Rolling out.
Your booty's covering the numbers. I can't see. £2 pounds 13. He said, "I want to sit, but you're not on the scale, boo." His butt is off. I was wondering why the number kept decreasing. 13.9. 2 pounds, 13.9 ounces. Hey, sweetie pie. Y'all getting so
13.9 like
big.
chocolate. Girl almost gained a pound. And he was 1 ounce shy of a pound.
But he looks smaller than Chocolate Drop.
Yeah, but I was just saying that the ounces was the same.
Oh.
But the pounds would do.
Excuse me, sir. Slow down, please. Slow down, Wody. There you go. I knew you were smart. A little bit more.
Ain't nothing in this range.
Yeah. Oh, no, it isn't. Okay. You took it down like a champ. Here's the champ. Yeah. Next. Who are you?
That looks like ash, but it's not. It's the darker one.
Who's Dark Ash?
Dark ash? That's messed up, man.
Black Ash. That's her name, Black Ash.
Oh, French kiss. That's right.
Oh, Frenchie?
She lost her pink lips. From 1 week to the next.
Yeah, she did. Oh, wow.
Y'all didn't see because that was a 2-week PUPDate. So
Yeah, it was like all pink on top and bottom. Barry had named her French Kiss. Wait, is this Frenchie? No.
Yeah, that's who French kiss is.
Well, nails is not the same.
They still got white tips on them. That's how French tips are. Maybe not. Yeah, this one does too.
No, this ain't Frenchie.
Yes, it is. There's only 2 brindle females, and you already grabbed Ash.
This is Black Ash.
This is messed up, man.
2 pounds, 8 point. He was doing so well for me. I think it read 8.9 ounces. £2 pounds, 8.8 ounces.
Gained 8.2.
8.8. 2 pounds, 8.8 ounces.
She gained over a pound.
You gained over a pound?
She was 1 pound 6 ounces last week.
Wow.
I didn't get to see.
Oh.
Well, maybe you did. I have no idea. Figure it out or not.
Deworm. There you go. Good girl. You really don't like it, do you? Daddy's trying to drop you on the low low. All right. Okay, I thought I'd have had enough in here. Just a little bit enough for whatchamacallit, syringe. If I wouldn't have spilled what was in here, we'd have had enough. All right, next. I don't know why you just... Woo! Hey, handsome! Hi, baby. I need to present him the correct way. This is LJ.
Junior!
That's what LJ is. This is LJ. This boy right here. When I tell you, can you stop being so stubborn?
He can't stay just because he can't get the call name right. He's gonna be confused.
His name is LJ.
Junior.
That's what LJ is, Junior.
He ain't gonna know that because you keep calling him LJ.
His name is
I'm not
LJ.
calling him Junior.
His name is LJ. So I need you to get on board. I'm not calling him Junior. LJ is 3 pounds and walking off the scale. Keep still, Pooh.
That's a good weight.
3 pounds. Get your booty on here.
Man, falling off the scale. You're pissing on the scale.
You peeing on here? Bruh, what's up with you in this scale? 1 minute you peeing, last week
That's what he pooped.
last week you pooped in my hand.
Y'all missed that too.
This week you peeing on the scale.
That wasn't the last one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Throw that out, please.
You know I don't like tissue.
I know, but I didn't want to sit it back on the counter either.
You could just threw it over it. I would have opened the Facebook.
That's your mill owner. That's what you have to deal with.
Yep.
Poor baby. Where we at? 3 pounds. Get your booty. Good boy. Can you stop? 3 pounds, 8.4 ounces.
Phew. He was 2 pounds, 4.2 ounces, so gained over a pound.
Good boy. Go LJ.
June.
Too bad y'all can't see my facial expression. Oh, you remember the deworm him?
Yep.
Good boy. That's a brand new bottle. So they just don't like the flavor of it. That's all it is. And that's LJ.
June. Prince.
LJ.
Prince Junior.
LJ. I'm not calling him Junior.
Yeah, he is.
No, I'm not. He's going to answer the LJ because he'll listen to me before he listens to you because I say his name often. I say LJ. I call all their names. Oh, boy. He think he's slick trying to say T'Challa. He's dark. This is T'Challa. You see that boy? Uh-oh, somebody in there being feisty. Look at him.
Another was 2 pounds, 1.6 ounces last week.
2 pounds. Okay, let's see where you at today, Chichi. Chichi. Really? T'Challa. Where you going?
To milk.
I don't have any milk for you, bruh. You just slipping and sliding all over the place.
Somebody got the goods.
Oh, you see how he ran up in my arm? Barry doesn't like that.
Sure don't.
He said they become mama boys. Look at my baby.
No mama boys allowed.
You saw that? You saw that though, right? He ran up into ow! I got you, Chi-Chi. Hey, T'Challa. Thank you. He gave me Chala kisses. No, Pooh, I need you to stay still. T'Challa. What did you do to the film? Bruh. Got my nose all wet. £3, 4 point. Can you get off the dewormer right quick? Let's try this way. You. No, Chi-Chi. T'Challa.
Highly motivated.
He is. For what?
Nope.
Ain't got no. 3 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
You read it wrong now. Gee, let daddy do it.
Mm-mm.
You worse than your brother.
There's no food.
He said, well, then get me some. 3
There's no
pounds. His booty's off.
Let me say back up.
Can you get your booty? I can't believe we're going through this with you.
Stop.
T'Challa.
Like this, bro. Nope. Like this, look. See? Nope. Like that. Nope. Nope. Like that. Don't be hard headed.
Don't be like your male owner.
Read it.
3 pounds.
Stop, man.
Fighting with him. Oh my gosh.
Don't put you in the bag.
Come on, Chi Chi. He's not on there. Because it's coming up as 2 pounds. That's how I know he's not on there.
Boy, you ain't too big for this.
You done changed the thing.
I bet I did.
Take them off. The mold got changed. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try again.
Let me hog tie your feet together.
Oh, you gonna be one of them, I see.
Put your booty on. Well, you been fighting with me for 5 minutes.
3 pounds, 4 point.
Boy, you was too much. Put you back on the cell block.
Oh my God, he gonna be one of those. It was 3 pounds, 4 point something.
3 pounds, 4 ounces. There.
Oh my gosh, T'Challa, I can't believe you was that difficult to get weighed. Why?
Okay, over a pound. Okay. So.
Deworm.
Come here. Get off the scale. Just get off the scale.
Oh my gosh. You funny, Chi Chi. I can't call you that. Daddy would have a fit.
Yeah, what?
T'Challa. Open.
My old dead father and his father, stepfather's name. Nickname. Why are you making that noise?
Because it's good.
I have my pinky on this thing. There ain't nothing in there.
That was it. And I just squirted it in his mouth. It's on his chin.
Go wipe it off my mom.
Go ahead, baby. Well, that was the weigh-in for all 13 pups and Deworm. As you can tell, they all doing well. They healthy. Excuse me. They well. They healthy. Hopefully, we can still try to get this other video up. We might just have to skip it and try to load up another way or another time if it allows us to. So, thank you for tuning in. This is Dee, and that is Barry. And this is Hotep Kennels. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the alert button. And what else?
Share, man. Follow us on Instagram.
Share and follow us on Instagram.
Check out TikTok, too.
Oh, and we on TikTok. all puppies. Thank you for tuning in. Peace and blessings.